Michael.
We want a little mess with the stickies. Okay, so we're continuing on our app idea that we were working on last time and today. And so this is supposed to be a user-friendly process to help guide people through the process of separation. The first thing that it will do is an intelligent screening. So it will assess for urgent safety or abuse issues that need to be dealt with immediately, and relay you off if any of those come up. But aside from that, it will ask things like, what have you tried in the past, and then ask you to rate how well those worked for you, so that it can give you referrals and ideas based on how those have things that work well for you. It will also ask you things about mental health issues, do you have kids, culture or religious affiliation, so that it can give you referrals that are relevant to you. And then it will, after it's done all this, it will create an ongoing to-do list for you. And it will prioritize the to-do list based on what it deems to be the most urgent issues that need to be addressed based on your questionnaire answers. And when you look at the to-do list, you can click on each item, and then when you click on it, it will tell you how you can actually do that thing on your to-do list. And there it will link you to a list of referrals, like you indicated, you might have some mental health issues. Here are some social workers that might be helpful for the kinds of issues you've indicated, Here are some LGBT-friendly resources that might be helpful for, that kind of thing. And then also say, these are the documents you need to compile to get this done. This is the person you need to contact to get this done. You need to schedule this. And then also have education, actually, educational tools within the app. Yeah.
So with respect to education, depending on the user's answers throughout the intelligent screening process, it'll provide them with educational information. This educational information can include things like their rights, tips on how to deal with their health and wellness throughout the process. It'll include age-appropriate resources that children themselves can access. All of this information can be in video or written format. This app will also deal with issues of childcare for those who have parents, such as their schooling and their health. The app will also have a Google-like calendar or scheduling calendar. For those people who have parents, it'll help them coordinate pickups and drop-offs, holiday schedules, doctor's appointments, that sort of thing. For people who don't have children, it can help them organize events that the both separating parties need to be at, such as legal appointments. This calendar can be private or shared between the parties and any other people who are involved in childcare, such as grandparents.
So not only does our app have a section for education and scheduling, but we also have a little section for finances. So that will just outline what exactly both partners, what money they're putting in towards the child's care, such as child support. So each party supporting the child will have, it'll almost have their own history of what exactly they've paid. So when conflict arises, they can always refer back to their own history, or this could probably be used in court if there is a conflict in the future, but hopefully not, because this app is supposed to work. Then, if there is conflict, we have conflict resolution solutions, such as, they might actually be relinked to the education section of our app. That'll just help them resolve their issues. We also have live support, moderated forums, and what we thought about the forums was not only would it be used by users answering each other's questions, we'd have people such as professionals, therapists, mediators who might want to put their input maybe once a week. They can have just a gathering for all the users, and they can answer some of their questions.
Just something to add about the conflict resolution thing, the app could suggest, ideas for how to resolve the conflict based on other users' success. You indicated you have an issue sorting out this. Other users have tried this, and this has worked for them. And it can give you and also you can rate your referrals and education tools and things that are the conflict resolution methods that work for you, so that you can compile 98% of users found this helpful. have you tried this, and then you could rate that,
And then for fees, we opted for the in-app purchases business model because we want the app to be free so we can track as many users as possible. We also have ads, and for the ads, we would have requirements which would be approved before they are put onto the app. And then for marketing, we want to be on all of the social media platforms, lifestyle blogs, and we can also market like government websites and Service Ontario.